So on my RAM here, that's a ProMaster 2500. That's a ProMaster 2500. There's this coolant line here that's I guess to cool off the power steering um, fluid. So this comes this way, goes behind there, and then I think circles to kind of cool down with the air comes towards the front of the van. So I have the two lines that was to be in here, and it starts to leak it from the bottom here. I think it's because they use the clamp that's the same size up here, and clearly you can see this line is thicker than this one over here. So when they add pressure, this was to be loose. So I went to the Ram or Chrysler dealer to ask if they have this foot long hose to sell, and they want to sell me the whole line from here all the way to the back somewhere. So you got to take all this side bumper, probably the fender. It goes all the way back there, and each of these lines it's $270. So to replace a foot long hose, they want you to buy um, $500 in lines, that needed because the metal lines is still good. So I figured I go to the Advanced Auto Part and buy, the hoses that they have to sell by the link. So I got a 2 foot of hose, paid $3 and something. I ordered clamps from Amazon and probably spent $10 the most. And then I had to buy the fluid. The fluid was the what cost the most. It was like $28 for this fluid. They said it's for European cars, power steering fluid, liquid, so CHF 11S. So it's on a green can, the lady say at the counter. So this was $28 plus 3, so 31 plus 10, $41 to do the repair and my time. So that's how you save money going to the dealer, because you gotta pay for them to take this whole thing apart. Just in their time could be like $1,000 or over, because they're not gonna do this in 2 hours. They're gonna do in 10 hours, you know, and that's how it is. Trying to save money on an old car. It's not that old, but you know, you just gotta work on it. Even if it's a new car, you just gotta figure what to do because it's expensive to maintain.